working with Ramco Industries Limited as Senior General Manager, Marketing, heading the North Zone sales and marketing activities. A very warm welcome to you.
Yeah, welcome all. My name is Y. Srinivas from Ramco Industries Limited. Today, we'll be making a presentation on Hilux calcium silicate boards and green core roofing sheets. This is our effort towards contribution of redevelopment of railway stations. So I'll begin my presentation. So during the course of my presentation, I'll be covering the following points: the corporate profile, the product composition and attributes, the technical parameters, the testing standards, the applications of the product, the technical specifications, some government approvals, the client list, and testimonials. So this is the corporate profile. We are over 50 years old in this building material industry. Ramco has a group turnover of around 7,000 crores, and the Ramco Industries Limited, which is manufacturing these products, is about 900 crores. And we have this manufacturing facility for this product called calcium silicate board at Kotputli, Rajasthan, for 60,000 metric tons per annum capacity. And we have a strong R&D at Chennai. This is the business diversification of Ramco Group. We are into building materials, wind farms, spinning units, Ramco Cements, and Ramco Systems. Okay, so the question is, what is Hilux calcium silicate board that we'll be talking about? Basically, it's a combination of cement, lime, silica, and selective mineral fillers with interlocking cellulose fibers. And the process used for the manufacturing of this product is through high pressure steam curing process, that is called HPSC process. And the standards for manufacturing is JIS. JIS stands for the Japanese Industrial Standard A5430 1995. So the question that comes to our mind is, why do we require a product which is called a Hilux calcium silicate board when there are other substitutes available in the market of similar category? So to understand this, we need to go back and understand what are those substitutes and what are the strong points of those products and what are the weaknesses of those points. So to begin with, let's talk about the plaster of Paris or the POP, which has a density of around 800 kg per meter cube. The positive aspects of this product is that it gives you a seamless surface finish and it gives you good aesthetics. But however, there are certain shortcomings of the product, which is it has no water resistance, it has no fire resistance, it has no termite resistance, it has more system weight, and it is a wet construction and takes more time. However, after some time, there was some development and came the products which is called the gypsum board or the plaster board. So this was a little bit of an advancement over the POP. It came with a density of around 740 kg per meter cube. The lighter, the better, in fact. So the positive aspects of this was it tried to maintain the seamless surface finish. It had good aesthetics. It had less system waste as compared to POP. And it was a dry construction. It took less time because it was dry construction. But however, there were certain shortcomings. There was no water resistance still in this product. There was no fire resistance in this product. And there was no termite resistance in this product. Then came a product as a better substitute, which is called the cement boards with a density of around 1200 kg per meter cube. So what it tried to do was overcome the shortcomings of the other two products, which we just gone through. That is water resistance, fire resistance, and termite resistance. But as a result of this, it gained a lot of weight. In fact, it gained almost 35% more weight than the other two products. It had an unsuccessful seamless finish. It had higher thermal conductivity as compared to other products. And the workability was difficult because it was a higher density board and it had no aesthetics. Then came a substitute, which we called the calcium silicate boards. In fact, there was always a need for a product which could combine the positive features of all these products and remove the shortcomings of all these products. So that's how this calcium silicate board came about with a density of around 900 kg per meter cube. So it could maintain the seamless surface finish, the water resistance, the fire resistance, the termite resistance, the low thermal conductivity, which is the K value. It could give aesthetics, and it had less weight, and it took less time as compared to in installation as compared to other products. So this Ramco Industries Limited is also a member of the Indian Green Building Council, IGBC and USGBC. So about 95% of the raw materials used are manufactured and are sourced within a range of 500 kilometers from our plant. And there are around 18% of recycled content in this product, and there is zero VOC, so no volatile organic compounds. The basic fire parameters are of this product is the combustibility, ignitability, surface spread of flame, and fire propagation index. Basically, the product is tested for these fire parameters, and we have test certificates from CBRI Roorkee and PSB Singapore. And after this, we also test this product for a complete fire rated system that is under BS 476 part 20 to 22 against stability, thermal insulation, and integrity. And we have system test certificates from CBRI Roorkee from 1 hour till 4 hours. The water resistance. In fact, if you see on the left side, gypsum boards would give away on continuous impact of water, but Hylex calcium silicate boards do not degrade on impact of water. Okay, and now calcium silicate board also termite resistance. As you can see in the pictures, the gypsum boards has paper, so the termite effects on it. Now, other than the boards, we also manufacture Hylex designer tiles and also the Hylex acoustic tiles. These are the applications of the product. The product can be used for ceiling solutions, for cladding solutions, and for drywall partition systems. These are some of the pictures of the ceilings. The product can be used interiors as well as semi-exposed surfaces. These are some acoustic tiles which can be used in auditoriums, on wall cladding. So the complete system, a calcium silicate board system, provides a sound insulation, which is called the STC or the sound transmission class, from 39 dB to 56 dB in drywall partitions. And the perforated tiles can provide an NRC of 0.85 backed with 50 mm 48 kg density of mineral wool. And we have test certificate from NPL, Delhi and ARAI, Pune. This is the seamless ceiling where you give a jointless finish for the ceiling. These are some of the pictures: Metro, Stadium, CAG building, Jaipur. And of course, Metro Delhi is one of the big customers of ours. These are some other pictures where you can do different designs also as regarding aesthetics. Now, these are the internal partition systems. Basically, the partition, in a partition, there are basically three components. One is the system, GI channels that you use, the flow channel, and the studs, which are used at intervals of every 2 feet. And then you use the boards and screw it from both the sides. And then you use internal fillers like insulation material, depending upon the requirement. So with this, you can make a 2-hour fire rated partition to 1 hour to 2 hours fire rated partition. Of course, the BOQ would differ. Then you can go up to a 10-meter high wall with a 2-hour fire rated partition wall. And it can go up to a maximum of 4 hours. These are some of the pictures of the drywall partitions. And the product can also be used for wall lining or wall paneling. Suppose in case of an old buildings, there is a seepage issue, then you can use this product as a wall cladding too. These are some of the pictures of pre-engineered buildings. This is a hostel in Coimbatore, where the entire structure is a pre-engineered building, and the internal partitions and false ceiling are used with this Hylex calcium silicate boards and tiles. There are some of the pictures. On the left side, you see the semi-finished, and on the right side, you see the finished pictures of the. This is a clubhouse in Delhi. In fact, this is made using the LGSF structure, which is also called the light gauge steel frame. And here the structure is finished with the Hylex calcium silicate boards. This is again a hospital that is currently coming up in Banaras. And this is again, the entire structure is a pre-engineered building. And the boards are used for cladding purposes from the outside as well as inside. So the calcium silicate board is also a part of the CPWD DSR codes. So the codes for false ceiling are 12.58. So this is for the perforated tile, that is the acoustic ceiling. Then you have a seamless ceiling, calcium silicate board. Then you have a partition specification, and you have wall lining specification. This is the client list. In fact, Delhi Metro is one of our biggest clients, using the calcium silicate boards in all its underground metro stations. So there the product is used for sealing and smoke down partitions. And there are many other clients, you see. So these are a couple of testimonials from the clients. One is the Delhi Metro, which has till date almost used the material in all its phases in Delhi. And approximately must be around 40 to 50,000 square meters of material has been used so far in Delhi Metro in most of the underground stations. So this is the testimonial from the chief architect of Delhi Metro, Ms. Papia Sarkar, and who has appreciated the product. Then you have the IRSDC, Indian Railway Station Development Corporation. In fact, we did the sample for them, and they are actively considering in all the redevelopment of the railway stations. And in few of the railway stations, we have had the specifications also. So this is about the product of calcium silicate board. Now I'll be talking about another product, which is called the Ramco Green Core roofing sheet. So basically, what is Ramco Green Core? Ramco Green Core is a 6 mm thick corrugated roofing sheets, which is reinforced by organic fibers and inorganic synthetic fibers. And this product is made as per IS standard of 14871. And the product can be used for industrial, commercial, and residential applications. So the Green Core comes with the triple advantages of improved durability, enhanced productivity, and increased sustainability. This is the manufacturing process, as I said. So what we use is a PVA and a polypropylene fiber as a reinforcement in this product. This product is 100% asbestos free. This is the product specification. The length of the product varies from 1 meter to 3 meters, and the width is constant at 1.05 meters. And the thickness is also constant at 6 mm. These are the product specification. Again, the apparent density, the load bearing capacity as per IS 14871, the chemical resistance. The thermal conductivity is one of the lowest if you compare with the metal sheets. The product is non-combustible, and it also passes the impermeability test, the heat and rain test, and the frost resistance test. So the cost effectiveness of the product, Ramco Green Core is much cost effective option in both terms, that is direct cost and life, compared to all other available choices. So if you see GI sheets or galvanum sheets or aluminum sheets, they have a limited life. Of course, the Green Core sheets can go up to 50 years. And also in terms of price, this is much more cost effective as compared to the other available products. This is just a product comparison between the other available substitutes, GI, galvanum, aluminum sheets, and the Green Core. So the material, as you see, this is a low energy material and a green material, and it gives good sound insulation and in fact a good heat difference. Because of the low K value of the product, the interiors of the shed is cool at least by around 5 degrees as compared to the metal sheets. So good thermal conductivity, it is non-combustible, life is better, chemical resistance is better, and in terms of deform stability also it is good. This is again a comparison on the basic features like sound resistance. If you see in a metal sheet, it creates a lot of noise because when the rain falls on the sheet, it creates at least around 90 dB of sound. Whereas in a green core sheet, it creates just 57 dB. So it gives better heat insulation, and definitely when the insulation is better, the productivity is higher. These are again approvals, which is the CPWD DSR. We have approvals from Indian Railways, from Northern, Southern, Western, and Central Railways for this product. These are some of the after installation pictures you see. It has been used in railway workshop in Amritsar, New Delhi railway station, Mabalam railway station in south, Chengalpet railway station in south. And it has been used for other godowns too, and many other industrial areas too. So this is all about the two products that we have on the offer for the redevelopment of railway stations. Thank you very much.